Hello everyone, good morning, and then happy Eid Adha Mubarak to all Muslim. Well, ayan, nakikita nyo na ako nakatalokbong. Kasi yung iba kong followers, sabi, ba't di ako daw nagtatalokbong is I am Muslim, yes. Siyempre, yung clothes ko is I have a covering, yes. So hot, but alhamdulillah. So first Eid today. Yes. So musta na yung Eid nyo? Ano, anong kinain nyo? Nagkumain na ba kayo ng what happened? Arsia, like kinain ko nung nakarana video ko, sabi ko,